Look what this absolute madman tried to do on the move. Oh my god, look at this goofball's face! This is exactly why you never cut off a biker. Instant justice! He got exactly what he deserved. Never try to show off in traffic. Look at this goofball! He totally wiped out! This angry guy thought he was intimidating the driver. Ha ha ha! Bro forgot to look straight! That is so embarrassing! Watch this idiot blow through a red light without even looking!
What the f are you doing, bro?
The cops saw everything. If you think this goofball deserves to be arrested, like and subscribe right now.